When it comes to upgrading your home, few projects make as significant an impact as installing new doors. Whether you're looking to replace outdated doors, improve energy efficiency, or enhance the aesthetic appeal of your Ferndale home, door installation is a task that requires careful planning. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to prepare your home for a seamless and successful door installation. Choose the right door for your home. Before any work begins, it's essential to select the perfect door for your needs. Consider factors like style, material, security, and energy efficiency. Popular materials include wood, steel, fiberglass, and glass, each with its own benefits. Wood doors provide a classic look and offer good insulation, but they may require more maintenance. Steel doors are highly durable, offering security and energy efficiency. Fiberglass doors are a great low-maintenance choice, mimicking the look of wood without the upkeep. It's also important to think about the function of the door. Is it an exterior door that needs to withstand the elements, or an interior door that focuses more on privacy and soundproofing? For Ferndale residents, a durable exterior door is critical due to the fluctuating seasons, from chilly winters to humid summers. Measure your door opening. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure your new door fits perfectly into the existing frame. Here's how to measure your door opening correctly. Measure the height, width, and depth of the door frame. Measure from floor to the top of the door frame for height. Measure from one side of the frame to the other for width. Finally, check the depth, which refers to the thickness of the wall where the door will be mounted. If you're replacing an old door, remember that your new door may not be an exact match, and slight modifications may be needed. In some cases, the frame itself may need to be adjusted. Prepare your home's interior and exterior. Before the installation begins, clear the area around the door both inside and outside your Ferndale home. This will help the installation team work efficiently and ensure no damage to your floors, walls, or surrounding furniture. Interior. Move furniture and rugs out of the way. You'll want to clear the area immediately surrounding the door for safety and ease of movement. Exterior. Remove any obstacles like plants, decorative items, or outdoor furniture that may block access to the installation site. If you're replacing an exterior door, be sure to clear the area leading to the door from the outside as well. Check for necessary permits. Depending on the scope of your project, you may need a permit for the installation, especially if you're altering the structure of the door frame or replacing an exterior door. In Ferndale, some home improvement projects require a permit to comply with local building codes. Contact the Ferndale Building Department to inquire about any required permits and ensure your project adheres to all local regulations. A professional door installation company will often handle this for you, but it's always a good idea to confirm. Ensure the weather is suitable for installation. If you're installing an exterior door, keep in mind that weather can play a significant role in the installation process. While interior doors can be installed any time of year, exterior doors should ideally be installed when the weather is dry and mild. Rain or extreme cold can delay the process and impact the quality of the installation. If you're in the middle of winter, plan your installation around a clear, dry day to avoid any disruptions. Installing a door in inclement weather may lead to issues like improper sealing or potential water damage. Hire a professional door installation company. While it's tempting to try DIY installation, it's usually best to hire a professional, especially if you're replacing an exterior door. A skilled installation team ensures the door is properly fitted, sealed, and aligned, reducing the likelihood of drafts, moisture issues, or security concerns. Professional installers have the tools, expertise, and experience to handle the job efficiently and with minimal disruption to your home. Look for a reputable door installation company in Ferndale with good reviews and experience handling a variety of door types. Inspect the finished installation. Once your new door is installed, take time to inspect the work. Ensure that the door opens and closes smoothly, the frame is level, and the seals are tight to prevent air and water leaks. If there are any issues, address them immediately with your installer. If you're satisfied with the work, take a moment to enjoy your upgraded entryway. Your new door can make a dramatic difference in your home's appearance, energy efficiency, and security. Conclusion: preparing your Ferndale home for door installation doesn't have to be a stressful process. By following this guide, choosing the right door, measuring carefully, clearing the area, checking for permits, and hiring a professional installer, you can ensure a smooth, successful project. Whether upgrading your front door or installing a new interior one, taking the time to prepare will make the process go smoothly, giving you a new addition that adds both style and function to your home.